Welcome to Vietnam, a country of vibrant industries and rich natural beauty, yet challenged by its unique geography and location in Southeast Asia. Vietnam's long coastline and extensive river network pose logistical challenges for material transfer, hindering efficient supply chains and increasing transportation costs for manufacturing, agriculture, and shipping. Enter EDDY Pump, offering innovative solutions tailored to Vietnam's major sectors. EDDY Pump's advanced slurry pumps and dredging equipment efficiently navigate Vietnam's geographical complexities, providing a strategic advantage for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. With EDDY Pump, businesses can effectively manage challenges without the burden of long-term commitments. Efficient pumping and dredging solutions are vital for maintaining navigable waterways, mitigating floods, preserving the environment, and supporting Vietnam's import and export activities. With strategic locations across Vietnam, EDDY Pump is ready to meet the nation's industrial needs. Vietnam's industries require innovative solutions to overcome geographical challenges and sustain economic competitiveness. EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering flexible and sustainable solutions for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore our rental services today and ensure Vietnam's industry's future resilience and growth with EDDY Pump. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.